están unidos. Están separados por la cocina y por el baño.
So the room of 12's to the left and the 24's to the right. So we'll fill up the 12 first.
Primero van a entrar los primeros 12 para aquí y el resto para allá.
Hi! Alright, so can I please get 12 people going to the left-hand side?
12 para allá.
So please stay with loved ones, please.
Hey.
Hello?
Three or pumpkin soup.
caracol.
After your entree, we will serve you your main course. Not a difficult option to choose between sea beef tenderloin or spice grilled chicken breast. The chef recommend you to have beef medium rare, but if you would like to have something different, please let me know when I come around to take the order. After your main course will be a cheese platter, and then we will stop for 10 to 15 minutes at Albert Park. If you want to go outside to get tea, liquor will be served after that. And I think that's all. Thank you very much. Have a great night.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Se calhar por lá e para cá.
Vai abaixo e vem em cima. Vai por uma linha, vai.
Sabelinha, não estás a ver esta? Não estás a ver aqui isto?